Hi, I'm Joel, and I'm here to tell you some jokes. I just found out I'm colorblind. It came out of the purple. Why can't eggs tell each other jokes? They'd crack each other up. I never play video games in the savannah. There are just too many cheetahs.
Hey everyone, my name's Jonathan Lanergan, and today I'm going to be doing some stand-up comedy. The past, the present, and the future all walk into a bar together. It was tense. I once knew an atheist who works for charity. It was a non-profit organization. Why are koalas not considered bears? They don't meet the qualifications.
Hello, my name is Mark Yen, and today I'll be your next comedian. Okay, so me and my friends are watching this racing show, and the camera zooms in onto this guy with an orange juice T-shirt. Let's say that. I know, very appropriate for racing. So we were watching the show, and as it goes on, we get to the actual racing part, which in my opinion is probably the best part, because when the racers all get ready and the light turns green, they all go zooming past. But guess what? The orange juice guy, foreshadowing, just stays back and doesn't move. And then my friend turns to me and says, I guess he's out of juice. Okay. The next joke also comes from my friends and my own experience. Okay, so we were watching Avatar: The Last Airbender, and they were like, what is this show about? And I had to explain it to them. Okay, so as the show progresses, we get to season 1's ending. And as we get there, this woman, Sui, this is about spoilers, by the way. So this girl, Yui, let's say that's her name, turns into the moon. And then my friend, the same friend, turns to me and says, how does she eclipse her hair? Okay, the next joke, I'm gonna need someone to help me. Please, let's welcome Jewel.
Hi, Mark. What'd you call me in here for?
Hello, Jewel. Today, I will be telling you a knock-knock joke.
Okay.
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Boo-hoo, don't cry, because we're off the stage. Thank you for having me, and I hope you like the next comedian.
Hi, my name is Isabella, and I'm not that funny according to my brother, so I will be using Google today. Why was Cinderella so bad at soccer? She kept running away from the ball. What's the best thing about Switzerland? I don't know, but the flag is a big plus. What did the triangle say to the circle? You're pointless.
Hi, my name's Carolina. I'm going to tell you just a little bit of jokes. They're not funny, so just warning you before that. So, first one is, what did the fancy banana say to the other fancy banana after the opera? Well, that was very appealing. I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why. What's the ghost's favorite drink? Booze. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Olivia, and today I'll be telling you some jokes. First, what do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. What animal needs to wear a wig? A bald eagle. What has 4 wheels and flies? A garbage truck. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lucy Bensel, and I will be sharing some jokes with you. First, I have some good news. I have invented a new word. It's called plagiarism. Next, I have a math question.
how many times can you subtract 10 from 100? The answer is once, because then you'd be subtracting 10 from 90. And finally, I have some sad news. Boiling Water has died. Rest in peace, Boiling Water. You will be missed. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jack, and I'm here to tell some jokes. What do you call a pig that does karate? A pork chop. Why are dolphins always sad? They have no porpoise. My boss told me to nail 2 pieces of wood together. I really nailed it.
Hi, I'm Noble, and I'm here to tell you all a few jokes. What do you call a monkey in a minefield? A baboon. Why isn't he crawling out of a mountain of salt? Oh, I insulted him. Why didn't you give your child the prescripted medicine? It read, keep out of reach of children. That's all I have to share. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jackson, and I'm here to tell you some jokes. Why can you never trust atoms? Because they make up everything. What would you call a belt with a watch unit? A waste of time. Why are frogs always so happy? They eat whatever bugs them.
Hi, my name is Evan, and I'm going to be telling you a few jokes today. So, what would a bear be without bees? An ear. What's the difference between a poorly dressed man on a tricycle and a well-dressed man on a bike? A tire. What does a tick and the Eiffel Tower have in common? They're both parasites. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jackson Davis, and here are some jokes that I came up for you. What kind of snakes are on cars? Windshield vipers. What did the snake with a lisp say to his son before he went on vacation? Python. The other day I walked into a pet shop and bought a snake. It was the most expensive corn I've ever seen.
So for about my first joke, this actually was something I did in real life. About around 2 weeks ago, me and my friends were watching this racing show, and we were like, forget it. No, that's bad. Hello, my name is Markian, and today I will be. Okay, no, forget it. No, please reset it. Okay, this next joke comes from my friends as well. What? What happened? Cut.
Hi, my name is Isabella, and I'm not that funny, according to my brother, so I will use Google today. What? What?
Why didn't you give your child the prescripted medicine? It read, keep out of reach of children.
Okay, guess what?
What would a poorly dressed man on a bike? Damn it. Hi, my name is. What do the Eiffel Tower and a tick have in common? Hi, my name is Evan, and I'm gonna be telling you a few jokes.
What did the snake with a lisp say?
Quiet on the set. Cue talent.
Crack each other up.
Hello, my name is Mark, and I will be your next comedian for this show. Alright, so about a week ago,
I'm gonna tell you just a little bit of jokes. They're not funny, so just warning you before that. So first one is, what did the fancy banana?
Hi, my name's Olivia, and today I'll be telling some jokes. What do you call a bear with no teeth?
Hi, I'm Noble, and I'm here to tell you all a few jokes. What do you call a monkey in a minefield? A baboon.
0. Tell him to walk out. No. Cut.
Weaver, whatever.
Okay, ready?
Is he ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello, my name is Jackson Davis, and here are some jokes that I came up for you.